this you will need vitamin C, starch, cornstarch, iodine peroxide, distilled water, and iodine tincture. If you have 2%, you will need 60 milliliters, and if you have 5%, you will need 25 milliliters. So the first step is to take two 1,000 milligram tablets. If you can only find 500, then you'll just use 4 instead. And you roll them up in a paper towel. And you just crush them with the back of a spoon until they're a fine powder. I've already done this for us previously, so there's the powder. Next, we add 60 milliliters of our distilled water. You might want to give it a nice stir. Try and dissolve as much of the vitamin C as we possibly can into the solution. Okay. So the vitamin C tablets have a lot of stuff in them that are not dissolvable. So don't spend your entire life trying to dissolve them, because you'll have to filter most of it off in order to make it a clear solution again. So to do that, let's take a coffee filter, funnel, put it in our beaker, filter off the solution. Now, as you can see, it's coming out much clearer now. This will take a couple minutes, so we'll check back on that later. For the second solution that we will be making, we must take the cornstarch, and estimate about 0.4 grams, which is just it doesn't have to be exact, but it's about that much cornstarch. And we put it into the beaker. Next, we add about enough water so that it's at 350 milliliters. So, the cornstarch, the water will be clouded, so we have to microwave this solution in order to remove some of that cloudiness. So, I'll be right back, and when we come back, the solution will be microwaved. Okay, once your starch solution is microwaved until boiling, you want to start adding your hydrogen peroxide, 3% hydrogen peroxide. You want to add about 150 milliliters of this. So if I look here, I'm going to bring it up to around the 500 milliliters mark. I fill it up until it's around 500 milliliters of water. Now the total solution. Once you're happy that you have about 150 milliliters of hydrogen peroxide added, then you can continue back to your first solution, which is right here. Almost clear now, a little bit of cloudiness. That shouldn't bother anymore. So what you want to do, you want to add 60 milliliters, which is about 2 of these, because they were about 30 milliliters each. as you add this, you see that the solution turns right back to being clear. That is because the vitamin C is reacting with the iodine. The I2 molecules are being broken down to colorless I1 molecules. Once that's all set, we can then return to our distilled water. And we want to add about enough water so that you have 500 milliliters total. So for this, I'm going to change to a bigger cup. Okay, so now we have about 500 milliliters total, both solutions. If this being cloudy bothers anyone, you could filter through a couple more coffee filters, but for the sake of time, this is good enough to show the iodine clock experiment. So, what you want to do is you want to add equal amounts of both solutions. Just a moment. This could take a while depending on the proportions of the chemicals you put in, but after enough time, the chemical reaction should turn the entire solution dark very abruptly. This is because the hydrogen peroxide is trying to oxidize the I- ions into colored iodine, but the ascorbic acid in vitamin C, see, there you go, right here, it's turned black. As I was saying, the vitamin C is trying to reduce the I2 into I- molecules, and these reactions are going at competing with each other until eventually, because we added excess of hydrogen peroxide, the oxidizing reaction wins, and the entire solution turns into a dark black fluid very quickly, as the I- left over and the I2 bind together with the starch and form a triiodine complex, creating this very dark fluid. Thank you. Be sure to like and subscribe. This has been System Science Iodine Clock.